All right. Well, this is the final mini lecture for our semester, and I hope while you're watching this, you're happily ensconced in your final stages of your second story. We're going to be doing the editorial board meeting again this week, and I don't have all that much to tell you right now, especially since you've done it before, but the fact that you're at the end of the semester and working hard on your final project is not the only reason that I've given you this familiar task. I also want you to consider how your development, not only as a writer, but as a reader and as a critic, is changing. What might you not have noticed a few months ago? What preference have you developed that you didn't have before? Maybe you've only become more adamant in your criteria, but it would be worthwhile in your comments to make some mention to your group members of how you think you as a reader, as a critic, have developed. What kind of things are you looking for? You might mention some of the formal categories we've discussed, whether they be dialogue or point of view or scene or story and situation, and any of those. But I'm not limiting you to those. I'm just curious to and am insistent about your development as critics, because this is part and parcel of your development as a writer. And what we're doing here at the end of the term is sending you off, we hope, with these component skills, all of which merge into the act of writing successful fiction. And I'm always asking of myself what my weaknesses are, what my shortcomings, what my obsessions as a critic, what it is that maybe in a certain time of your life you find that you value more than you used to, or less than you used to. This is always interesting. If nothing else, it could be something that you import into your fiction. Your characters will change over time as readers, as thinkers. Okay. Well, good luck with this week and with the story. I really am hopeful about your carrying these skills forward. I want to reiterate that I'm on email. I also have, if you guys are on campus, I have office hours in Lind Hall on the East Bank, and I hope that some of you will seriously consider if you haven't already, the creative writing minor. It's offered through the English major, but you don't have to be an English major, and it's a wonderful way of collecting some of your work and honing your focus, and one hopes preparing you to become a really effective creative writer and creative thinker in the future. Best of luck at the end of the semester. I hope that everything ends up well. Please be in touch if you're having any problems or issues. And I hope that in a few weeks you'll be in a place where the workload is totally gone, you're on vacation, and you think to yourself that what you want to do is read and write some fiction for yourself, for fun, not for a class, although who knows, you might end up bringing it in to the class at the next level up. Best of luck to all of you.